Good morning, candidates. Good morning. Yeah, this is regarding takeover of PMC Bank. You must have seen recently, Centrum Financial Services have been permitted to take over PMC Bank. Partner Bharat Pay to launch SFB, Small Finance Bank. The RBI in a statement said, and in principle approval was given after Centrum Financial Services submitted an expression of interest for PMC Bank. The, the Reserve Bank of India on Friday granted in principle approval to Centrum Financial Services to set up small finance bank, paving the way for it to take over the scam-ridden and Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank in a joint venture with digital payment firm Bharat Pay. So the point here is, say, Reserve Bank has given approval for Centrum Financial Services. For what? For setting up a small finance bank. Okay. And they will be taking over Punjab Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. They will be taking over Punjab Maharashtra Cooperative Bank in a joint venture with digital payment Bharat Pay. The RBI in a statement said an in-principle approval was given after Centrum Financial Services submitted an expression of interest for PMC Bank. RBI would consider granting a license for commencement of banking business under Section 22(1) of Banking Regulation Act 1949 on being satisfied that the applicant has complied with the requisite conditions laid down as part of RBI in principle approval. Resilient Innovations Private Limited, Bharat Pay, one of India's leading fintech companies, will be an equal partner in the small financing bank, starting off with existing capabilities of an NBFC and a fintech active and potential customer base. Digital reach and technology should enable the small finance bank to scale up quickly, the Centrum said. Jaspal Bindra, Jaspal Bindra, Jaspal Bindra, Executive Chairman Centrum Group, said, "We are delighted that the new banking license will be issued to an NBFC after a gap of nearly 6 years. And would like to thank the RBI for the opportunity and confidence shown in us. We are excited to be a partner with Bharat Pay to create this new age bank with a strong team. We are delighted at the opportunity to build a high performing technology led small finance bank serving the payment, investment and credit needs of the underserved," said Ashneer Grover, CEO and co-founder, Bharat Pay. Important, say Ashneer Grover, CEO and co-founder, Bharat Pay. As of March 2020, PMC Bank had a deposit base of 10,727 crore and loans worth rupees 4,473 crore. The share capital of the bank is 2,292 crore. And however, the bank registered a net loss of 6,835 crore and has a negative net worth of 5,850.61 crore. Now, PMC Bank PMC Bank is under regulatory restrictions after the RBI found out financial irregularities in its functioning, hiding and classification of advances given to Housing Development Infrastructure Limited. The bank has an exposure of over 6,200 crore to HDIL. The RBI has superseded the board of the bank and appointed administrator in September 2000, should be September 2020. I think so. I think it is not correct. September 2020. I'm not sure. We have to take it up. Last year in November, the bank came out with an expression of interest to identify a suitable equity investor group of investors willing to take over the management control so as to revive the bank and commence its day-to-day operations. BharatPe and Centrum Group reportedly submitted a joint expression of interest to RBI to collectively take over the troubled PMC Bank. So the approval has been given. The administrator of PMC Bank, A.K. Dixit, PMC was founded in 1984. PMC headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Thank you.